My name is Rachel and I'm an interior designer at La-Z-Boy Pineville. I grew up in Matthews, North Carolina. I got a Bachelor's of Science degree from Appalachian State University in interior design. My favorite part about being an interior designer is being able to help people make their house become more of a home, more functional, but also creating a space that they enjoy living in, I think makes a big difference in people's lives. I like to hang out with my dog, take him for walks. I like to cook, go shopping. The La-Z-Boy interior design program stands out because it's a free professional design service with a purchase, so you're getting everything you would get with paying for a private interior designer, but you don't have any of the service fees or any extra cost. People should use the interior design program because a well-designed space can really increase somebody's quality of life. Coming in and finding the perfect sofa or chair for your living room is one thing, but being able to create a full room in one place, just making it quick and easy, but having the best space that you could in your house. My favorite style to work on is something that's minimal, clean lines, a little bit of pop of color, and I think that like a nice area rug or something with color or pattern can really tie a room together. As for my personal style, I wouldn't say that I have a particular style. It changes a lot with new things that are being introduced, new trends, but I think if there's pieces that you love, there's always a way to make them work in a cohesive way. Come visit me at the La-Z-Boy store in Pineville.